Introducing the Opener BlackFly, an innovative electric aircraft with a striking design and remarkable capabilities. Featuring a central bubble canopy, reminiscent of a boat hull, and 2 wings equipped with 4 electric propellers each, the BlackFly combines the flight characteristics of both conventional planes and helicopters. Classified as a recreational sport vehicle, the BlackFly doesn't require a pilot's license to operate, as it qualifies as an ultralight vehicle, weighing no more than 254 pounds. Impressively, it includes a return-home safety mechanism and an optional ballistic recovery system (BRS) parachute. Powered by patented propulsion technology, the BlackFly boasts some of the most powerful motors for its size. Once full-scale production begins, it's expected to be priced similarly to a luxury SUV, though the exact pricing has yet to be disclosed. Lilium, a leader in sustainable, high-speed air mobility, has developed the Lilium jet, an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft poised to transform urban transportation. Offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional planes, the Lilium jet aims to make air travel more accessible and sustainable. Thanks to its sleek and compact design, the Lilium jet can operate from existing infrastructure like heliports, eliminating the need for large, costly vertiports or terminals. This adaptability makes it an ideal solution for urban environments seeking to reduce congestion and carbon emissions. Although the exact price of the Lilium jet has not been disclosed, the company has shown significant progress with substantial investment, including a $114 million funding round. This investment reflects the confidence in Lilium's vision to decarbonize aviation and shape a more sustainable future for air travel. The Lilium jet isn't just an aircraft, it's a bold step toward a cleaner, greener future for city transportation. For those seeking a thrilling solo flying experience, the Jetson 1 is a revolutionary electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft. Developed by the Swedish company Jetson Aero, this innovative aircraft combines excitement and safety, making personal air travel more accessible than ever. Built from a lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber frame, the Jetson 1 is designed for durability and performance. It features a single-seat design with 8 electric motors, providing redundancy for enhanced safety. With its simple joystick controls and automated systems, even first-time pilots can quickly learn to operate it. The Jetson 1 also comes equipped with advanced safety features like obstacle detection, hands-free hover capabilities, and a ballistic parachute. It has a top speed of 63 miles per hour and can fly for approximately 20 minutes on a single charge. As a groundbreaking form of personal transportation, the Jetson 1 is making air travel more affordable, accessible, and enjoyable for everyone. The Vertical Aerospace VX4 is a remarkable electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed to provide efficient, emission-free air travel in metropolitan areas. With a spacious cabin featuring adjustable seating and ample storage, the VX4 ensures a comfortable experience for passengers and their belongings. Equipped with carbon fiber composite tilt-shift propellers, the VX4 offers exceptional control and precision during flight. Its low-noise signature technology makes it ideal for urban environments where noise pollution is a concern. When it comes to safety, the VX4 meets the high standards expected of commercial passenger aircraft. Although the exact price remains undisclosed, the pre-sale of over 1,350 units, totaling more than $5.4 billion, reflects the significant demand and value of this innovative technology. The VX4 isn't just an aircraft, it's a step toward cleaner, quieter, and more efficient urban air mobility. Designed by the innovative Frankie Zapata, the Zapata Jet Racer is a state-of-the-art flying vehicle known for its remarkable speed, agility, and adaptability. Featuring a VTOL design and powered by 10 jet engines, it delivers unparalleled all-weather performance. The Jet Racer's compact dimensions, 204 centimeters in length, 204 centimeters in width, and 153 centimeters in height, enable it to operate from small landing pads, including offshore platforms and boats. Its proprietary fly-by-wire controls make it user-friendly, requiring minimal training. Built with a modular carbon chassis, the Jet Racer can be flown in both manned and unmanned modes, serving a variety of civilian and military applications. With a maximum payload capacity of 200 kilograms, a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour, and an intended maximum altitude of 3,000 meters, this high-speed vertical marvel is redefining the boundaries of advanced aerial mobility. The Cavorite X5 is a cutting-edge concept for a long-range hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft developed by Horizon Aircraft. Designed to accommodate 1 pilot and 4 passengers, this sleek modern aircraft aims to redefine advanced air mobility. Equipped with a pusher propeller for conventional flight and a patented fan and wing system for VTOL operations, the Cavorite X5 offers impressive versatility. During vertical takeoff and landing, the wings slide open, and for forward flight, they snap back into place, streamlining performance. With a range of 500 kilometers and a top cruise speed of 350 kilometers per hour, the Cavorite X5 balances safety, practicality, and operational flexibility. As a promising innovation in the field of advanced air mobility, it is set to transform personal and regional air travel. The H2FLY-HY4 marks a groundbreaking step towards sustainable aviation as the world's first piloted electric aircraft powered by liquid hydrogen. Developed by the German company H2FLY, which specializes in hydrogen electric powertrain systems, the HY4 has successfully demonstrated the feasibility of emission-free flight over medium and long distances. By utilizing cryogenically stored liquid hydrogen instead of gaseous hydrogen, the HY4 achieves an impressive range of 1,500 kilometers. Its unique twin fuselage design efficiently accommodates 4 passengers, making eco-friendly air travel more accessible and comfortable. In partnership with Deutsche Aircraft, H2FLY aims to expand this innovative technology to a 40-seat regional aircraft, furthering their mission to decarbonize commercial aviation. The HY4 is not just a prototype, it's a glimpse into a cleaner, greener future for air travel. Based in Santa Cruz, California, Joby Aviation is an ambitious aircraft startup backed by venture capital, striving to revolutionize air travel with its electric air taxis. Their goal is to reduce travel time and simplify daily commuting by offering a fast, efficient, and sustainable mode of air transportation. Equipped with 6 electric motors and vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capabilities, Joby's aircraft can access even the most congested metropolitan areas while maintaining a whisper-quiet operation. Currently, the company is working through a multi-year testing program with the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, to certify their aircraft for commercial operations. With over 30,000 miles flown on full-scale prototypes, Joby Aviation is committed to minimizing the environmental impact of aviation and reducing noise pollution. Their innovative approach promises a more efficient and eco-friendly way to navigate urban spaces. Arc Aerosystems, a UK-based innovative technology company, is dedicated to enhancing the vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities of civil aircraft. Their flagship model, the Pegasus, has earned praise for its adaptability and low operating costs. Thanks to its vertical jump takeoff and no-roll landing system, the Pegasus can take off and land without needing a runway. It has a maximum range of 610 kilometers with a 10-minute reserve and can cruise at a speed of 160 kilometers per hour at an altitude of 7,000 feet. Arc Aeros also offers advanced versions like the P3, a 3-seater hybrid, and the P9, a 9-seater with improved VTOL capabilities. These aircraft aim to make urban air transportation more efficient and eco-friendly, while remaining more affordable than traditional helicopters. Arc Aerosystems is not just shaping the future of air travel, they're making sustainable, accessible, and innovative aviation a reality. The Icon aircraft is a masterpiece of aviation, designed for thrill seekers and daredevils who crave the freedom of the sky. As an amphibious light sport aircraft, it redefines leisure flying with a unique blend of flair, safety, and versatility. Flying the Icon is more than just a flight. It's an adventure, effortlessly gliding through both skies and waterways, starting at $269,000 for the base model. The fully equipped version with premium features and advanced capabilities is available for $389,000, offering the ultimate Icon experience. Safety is a priority with the Icon's spin-resistant airframe and integrated parachute system, giving pilots confidence with every flight. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned aviator, the Icon invites you to embrace the pure joy of flying, confidently and stylishly. Urban air taxis, like the Volocopter VoloCity, are set to transform the way we navigate cities. With its 18 rotors and vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capabilities, this all-electric aircraft represents the future of urban mobility. Developed by the German company Volocopter GmbH, the VoloCity has completed over 2,000 test flights and is built to meet the strict safety standards of the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, EASA. Its redundant systems ensure fail-safe operations, while its low-noise profile makes it ideal for densely populated areas. Initially, flights will be piloted, but the design has the potential for fully autonomous, driverless service in the future. For those seeking a premium, eco-friendly alternative to conventional urban transport, a 15-minute ride is estimated to cost around $355. The KIWIGOGO T1 is a groundbreaking flying car that blends the innovation of a drone with the comfort of a capsule. Its all-electric powertrain and 6 propeller wings make it a unique mode of personalized transportation, effortlessly soaring above traffic. Designed for shorter trips, the T1 reaches a top speed of 45 miles per hour, has a range of 30 kilometers, and a flight time of 30 minutes. The cockpit offers an expansive view through its front window, rear windshield, and open sides, enhanced by an X-type safety belt for secure flying. While no official pricing has been announced, significant investments have gone into developing prototypes and similar models, indicating that it is likely aimed at a high-end market. The KIWIGOGO T1 is a bold step toward making personal air travel a reality. The CopterPack is a unique personal aircraft designed as an electric backpack helicopter, featuring a self-leveling autopilot system and a carbon fiber honeycomb airframe. It aims to set new standards for safety and performance in personal aviation. What makes the CopterPack distinctive is how it integrates the user's body into the flight experience. Currently, in its development phase, its flight dynamics and stability have been thoroughly tested. The aircraft is powered by 2 rotor blades on each side and is controlled using a joystick-like mechanism. For safety, a helmet is required, and integrated LED lights allow for nighttime operation. While there's no official announcement yet about pricing or availability, the CopterPack has the potential to change the way we experience personal transportation, offering an exciting glimpse into the future of flight. The J2000 is an innovative flying car that's faster than a race car, boasting vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capabilities and a top speed of 200 miles per hour. With a range of 200 miles, it's ideal for long-distance travel or as an air taxi service. What sets the J2000 apart from other VTOL aircraft is its groundbreaking fluidic propulsion system, FPS, inspired by Dyson's bladeless fan technology. Instead of traditional propellers, it uses a small volume of compressed air to move ambient air, creating powerful thrust. This system is integrated into 4 hoop-like thrusters, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. Once airborne, these thrusters fold into the body, while the rear hoops propel it forward. Thanks to this innovative design, the J2000 stands out for its reduced weight, lower noise levels, and superior efficiency compared to its competitors. Lift Aircraft is revolutionizing personal aviation by offering thrilling vertical flight experiences to individuals without a pilot's license. While they do sell the Hexa, a personal electric multi-rotor aircraft, Lyft is best known for its introductory flight experiences. The Hexa features 18 independent rotors, ensuring stability and safety, with a design focused on user-friendly operation. For around $250 per flight, you can experience the excitement of personal flight. For dedicated enthusiasts, a limited buyback option is available at the end of a 5-year term, and a select few have already acquired the Hexa for $495,000. Looking ahead, Lyft Aircraft plans to expand to more locations, making personal flight accessible to anyone ready to take to the skies.